Hello and welcome to the afternoon market update from Nirmal Bang. I am Hiral Dadia. Clearly, if you go to see, the day did start off slightly on a weaker note, and this was mainly taking cues from global peers. The anticipation also, as we mentioned in the morning, was that there will be weakness. We will see a gap down start, and that weakness is expected to persist as well. We've come back after a truncated week. In fact, not only India, it's the other global markets also which have come back after a truncated week, and this pressure is expected to remain today. Overall, if you go to see right now, at least in the afternoon session, the benchmarks are pretty much off the day's lowest levels. Right now, there is a recovery that has come in, not only in the benchmark indices, but also in terms of where the broader markets are concerned. If you see Nifty 50, it's now down almost around 0.6%. However, it's maintained above that 9,000 level. Similarly, if you see Sensex as well, it's trading with cuts of around 0.7%, trading at levels of around 30,900. There's underperformance coming in from the financial names in today's day of trade. So if you see Bank Nifty right now, it's clearly underperforming the benchmark indices. It's down little over 1%, but it's maintaining its momentum above that 10,700 mark. Broader markets, clearly, it's a pretty mixed trend coming in with regards to where broader markets are concerned. There is some bit of outperformance coming in from the small cap space versus the mid cap space as we speak. And in terms of sectors as well, all the sectors barring Nifty, pharma, metals are trading with losses. So overall, if you go to see in today's day of trade, the kind of losses that we have been picking up in terms of other sectors, it's mainly coming in from the auto space, which has been trading under pressure because if you see in terms of auto, real estate, as well as consumer discretionary, these are the actual sectors which are actually pulling the markets lower. However, infra, metals, pharma, these are few of the sectors which are actually aiding markets to come off the day's lowest levels. Talking in terms of where the VIX is concerned, that is up around 3.75%. We're still in that 50 to 52 band. And in terms of individual sectors, you do have Dr. Reddy's, which remains the top gainer on a Nifty 50, as we know that it's the pharma pack which is actually leading the gains. And clearly, with regards to Dr. Reddy's as well, it's on the back of the EIR that they have received for one of their plants. Zee Entertainment, however, remains the top laggard, which is down almost 11% in trade. And if you talk about Zee Entertainment, a couple of factors in terms of Sugar Box, where they are looking to invest, I think that's one of the reasons which the investors are not really picking up well. Avenue Supermart has hit a lower circuit. You have Lasa, which has received a FDA note, so good moves on that one. L&T has bagged an order as well from KUIDFC, which is a Karnataka body, so good moves on that one. And overall, if you go to see, it's a clear stock-specific market, as we had mentioned as well. Clearly, if you go to see right now in terms of the gaining trend, you have L&T, which is seeing smart gains, Ultratech Cement, Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma, Coal India, Shree Cement. These are few of the counters on Nifty 50 with see smart gains. Whereas on the losing end, apart from a Zee Entertainment, you have Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. Both the Bajaj twins have been trading under pressure with the kind of cuts that they are seeing, no additions happening. Titan trading under pressure, Tech Mahindra, ONGC, Pro, HCL Tech. So again, there is pressure on the IT space as well as we speak. Overall, again, in today's session, if you talk in terms of the macro data, investors will be eyeing a lot of stuff right now, but currently, the consumer inflation for the month of March that will be out during the day, that's something that we will be watching out for. But beyond that, if you go to see the kind of impact that COVID is having on the economy is something that everyone is eyeing. With that, the kind of impact it's having on the health of individuals, the number of cases which are increasing, the fatality rate, that's something which everyone is eyeing at the moment. But overall, the markets are off the day's lowest levels. Let's see where we go from here on. That's all that we have in the afternoon market update from Nirmal Bang. Thanks for watching. You could subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.